Hey, what's up guys, Mike here. So in this video we're going to be comparing the Rode to the Yeti Nano. Now this Rode and the Yeti, they're about the same price. And by the same price I mean they're not. Because there was a whole thing that happened and I'm just going to deal with what I got. I ain't got time to deal with it. I also wanted to make sure that I point this out to anybody that's using Amazon. Make sure that you buy through Amazon and not a third party, because I got this. It doesn't work. I can't return it. I can't issue a review. I can't do nothing. As soon as I bought it, it's mine now forever, and it doesn't work. It's not actually an Apple product. It is made by that company right there, and this product didn't work at all. This thing doesn't work. It's not an Apple product. It's like a knockoff. I bought it on Amazon. I can't return it. I can't get my money back. I can't even leave a review. So I'm not happy about that. I want to leave a review. I can't. It's fucking dumb, honestly. Not happy about it. So anyway, like I said, on this channel, I advertise for products made in the USA, such as this Lamson, which is an insanely nice knife. Liberty tabletop, which is made in the USA, and No Mess fingernail clippers, made in New York. Alright, on with the show. So, right now we're on the Yeti. This is the Yeti. We are on the Yeti. The Yeti Nano. Now we'll be switching over during this exact this little video thing here. Whatever. So listen. So in order for me to use this blue Yeti Nano, whatever, I had to get an adapter. Now I had to go to Best Buy to get this. Wasn't so easy, and I had to go. It was kind of like a thing, but I found them. It was awesome. The Best Buy that I went to, they're awesome. I absolutely was happy about it. I had a good experience getting it. I got a little nervous. I was like, what? I was like, I really need it. I gotta stream. So we're streaming on the Yeti Nano right now. Yeti, okay, so I was from YouTube originally a couple years back. I had a channel. If I say the name, people, yeah, I don't even want to say it. But then like maybe a year ago, I started another channel. Some people recognize me, some people know. But anyway, so Rode at the time to me was like a status symbol. Like, that's designer. Like, you got Rode, you're in business, like you're doing good. To me, Rode has always been like the source of what you want to get. Like, Rode is always that one that you can go to, that you can rely on. You know, I do even believe that Rode does make a made in USA accessory or something that they sell with these mics. This one might, this part right there, it might be that part. I don't know about Yeti, but right now we're talking on the Yeti, and on the Yeti, we are on right here. We're on this, basically we're on, basically like 360. And then this one is just direct talk, which it's not on. So there's a couple different things. I'm using this on my iPhone. Long story short, instead of buying a computer, a camera, all that shit, I decided to buy an iPhone because I figured, why not just do all of this on an iPhone? Great idea, not. So, whoa, just to show you that it was on YouTube before. What? Oh. Anyway, so right now we are on the Yeti. So Yeti, Rode. I need to get the Rode. This is a comparison video, and I was actually trying to get $50 price point, but now I'm gonna have to go back and redo shit because there's a long story. But basically, I'm happy with this one. But like I was saying before, I was used to be on YouTube, so Rode's it for YouTube. Like, if you're editing videos, you're doing videos, Rode is what you want. But now I'm switching over to Twitch. I'm doing live streaming. So yeah, I'm coming back to YouTube right now. I'm actually As you can see, this is John Burke. He's a cool dude. He's made a nonprofit called the Alpha Nerds Guild, and he's on Twitch. Big Twitch. I'm on Twitch. So my name is Tequila and Tacos. That is who I am. This is a good dude right here. Army veteran. And he is a cool dude right here. That's what he looks like. That John Burke. But on with the show. That's where I've been. YouTube to me is just getting sold out. They're not for creators anymore. Twitch is for creators. Twitch is for the creator. YouTube, on the other hand, they're completely doing stuff differently. They're catering, their advertising, their ads, everything to what they want. It's not for the creator anymore. It's for ads. It's for children to watch the ads, to sell shit to people, to take people's information, their history, and then sell it back to them. Now, they first started with smaller people, but they just keep moving their way up. Now people are being affected with 100,000 subscribers. That's a lot. So, I mean, they're just going to keep moving up until corporate takes over everything. That's my thought. I know people are going to disagree with me, but I've switched from YouTube. I've went back, and I've kind of went back. I'm kind of back now. I'm actually just kind of talking about Twitch. I prefer it. I think it's better. I really do. I think it's awesome. But anyway, we're on the Yeti right now. I'm on Twitch. I stream. I mean, it's for the creator. Now, when you go over to Twitch, you're gonna have to get a little bit more equipment, but you can use your camera and a whole bunch of other stuff. If you already have most of the stuff, that's good. So Yetis is for streaming, broadcasting. Rodes are kind of more for like camera work and AWOL stuff. So for me, I already knew like Rode was something I've always wanted. I never was able to get it, unfortunately. Like I had a pretty good following, but for me at the time, a couple years back, I never actually took it serious. A year back, I didn't really take it serious. So for me to actually be able to even get a Rode product, I'm pretty happy about it. Yeti's pretty cool. Everybody on Twitch loves Yeti. I really want the Rode one. It's just how I am, but Yeti also makes really good stuff, which is actually a blue company. So we are talking right now on the Yeti. Now, I'm going to actually move it closer to my face. And now I'm going to switch the setting to direct. Okay, so now I'm talking on the Yeti with a different setting. Now I'm talking directly at it. Now I'm about a foot from the mic. And this is what it sounds like tilted at me. So here's how it looks. I'm about a foot away from the mic. This is how it sounds. Now, in the same video, because I don't like editing videos and I was tired of it, like I said, I had to buy this lightning adapter. If you buy off Amazon, make sure it's actually Amazon and not a private seller, because you don't want to deal with them. This is my 4th time I've had a problem with them, and they should be like a double check system. That's all I gotta say. So now we're gonna switch over to the Rode. I love Rode. Always have. I've always wanted one since I was a YouTuber with, a pretty large following at the time. So in order to use this on my iPhone, I had to, I had to go get a splitter or whatever this thing is called. Will it focus? So I had to go get one of these, and then I had to get this. Which these things, I mean, they honestly should include these. The fact that we have to pay for them is ridiculous, but connect it on the mic side, and then you're in business. So right now I'm going to unconnect this one. You'll see this actually go off. Yeti is very nice. So Yeti is like, as soon as you hold it in your hand, you're like, all right, that's quality. That's perfecto. Okay, here we go. So here I am right now on the road. This is what the road sounds like. Hopefully you guys are digging it. I've always wanted a road product. I'm talking about, I don't know, 7 inches from my face. Now I'm like directly in front of it. Now I'm about the same way away as I was with the Yeti mic, about a foot away from my mouth. Now this is kind of for wind, so I'm going to take this off because these things are for wind. At least that's what I was under the impression they were for. Who knows? There's always that one guy. So here's what I sound like without the windproof on. That's what I call it, windproof. So yeah, I've always wanted a road product. I quit going on. I quit YouTube after my account got deleted, which was kind of my fault. I wasn't taking it professionally at the time. I had a large following, but you know, we live and we learn. But that's what it looks like. Absolutely love road products, but the one that I really want is for podcasting. It's the one I keep looking at online. I'm probably gonna get it, but probably hold off for a little bit. But so here's what I sound like directly in front of my face. Here's what I sound like a foot from my face. It's not the easiest thing. You kind of have to be close to it. You can't be away from it. But here's what it sounds like. So you guys let me know which one that you guys think is better. I prefer the Yeti just because when you're looking at it and when you're holding it, it just feels like you're the boss. Like, I don't know. It's kind of cool. But the Rode to me is always a sign of quality. I really, really want to get, I think it's like $230, $250. It's a podcast one. It's kind of like a big old boom mic kind of thing, but not really. Or I'll try the $100 one, which is actually going to be more in a competition with this one than I thought. I don't know. This is like, I should actually do this differently. Anyway, guys, you got to let me know what you think. All right, bye. Also, Instagram, all that stuff, add me. Links will be in the description and all that fun stuff. Okay, peace.